All right, good morning, traders. My name is John Carrigan. I moderate the BYOB trading room. Today is August 4th, 2023, and we have some of the indices that have started technically daily downtrends, putting in lower highs and lower lows. Let's go take a look at the SPY, and let's look at SPY on the daily time frame. So SPY putting in a lower high right here and a lower low right here. So SPY technically in a daily downtrend, but still remains above the uptrend line. So SPY still remains in an uptrend, but technically we are in a daily downtrend with lower high and lower low right here. So let's look at QQQ. QQQ has done the same thing, lower low and lower high. Still remains in an uptrend above the 50, still moving up. Looking for this to probably bull flag. We'll see what it can do today. But technically we are in a downtrend for the QQQ. Still bullish at this time, remaining above the 50-period moving average. QQQ, FNGU. Now this is the one that moves all markets. FNGU putting in a lower high and a lower low right here. Technically on the FNGU, still bullish. Trying to hold above the 50-period moving average. We'll see what happens here, but still bullish. But technically we have entered a downtrend, a daily downtrend on the FNGU. Now, diamonds, not quite. Diamonds still have not made a lower high. They have made kind of a lower low right here. So diamonds having a pullback here, making a lower low. We'll see what happens with the high. And let's take a look at IWM. IWM, still no lower low or lower high. So IWM remains bullish and still in an uptrend. Same as the diamonds, they also remain bullish and still in an uptrend. Okay, on the hourly time frame, we have a lower low right here and possibly a lower high. So we possibly have an hourly downtrend right now on the diamonds. And IWM, we have a lower low and a lower high right here. So we have an hourly downtrend on this IWM. Now let's take a look at UUP. Dollar continues to grind up against this downtrend line right here. So we'll see this trend line right there, trying to challenge that. Dollar still bullish at this time, but trying to break above this trend line right there. It may get stuck here for probably a week before finally bull flagging and then jumping and challenging these two highs right here and here. So dollar continues to grow in strength, and the markets have started to dip. Let's look at the VIX. VIX yesterday jumping up higher, making a lower low and a lower high. If we go back through the indices and we look at the daily candles, we have lower lows and lower highs on the diamonds. On the IWM, we have lower lows and lower highs on the IWM. Make sure that is yesterday's candle. On the FNGU, we have yesterday's candle, lower low, lower high. Actually, it's more of an equal low, but a lower high. And the QQQ, looking at the daily chart and the daily candle. And we have a lower low and a lower high. And finally, SPY on the daily chart Make sure that's yesterday's candle, lower low and lower high. So we have a series so far of lower lows and lower highs. We'll see if the market can get this turned around. And let's go take a look at XLF. So here we are at XLF. And this is yesterday's candle, putting in a lower low and a lower high. Having an hourly pullback. I don't see any daily trend yet. I see an hourly pullback right here. So probably entered an hourly downtrend if we look at it on the hourly chart. Yes, we've got lower lows and lower highs right here and here. So hourly downtrend in the XLF. Daily chart still looks bullish. Look for this to bull flag over to the right. We'll see what happens. SMH. Still bullish, putting in a bull flag, but in an hourly downtrend. Looks like more like a 15-minute downtrend here. And we have a double top possibly formed up here in the SMH. Transports. Let's go look at the transports, and they are still bullish in an uptrend, but daily still in an uptrend, hourly still in an uptrend, and it looks like a 15-minute pullback to me. So 15-minute downtrend, hourly chart and the daily chart still remain bullish and in uptrends. So now let's look at economic numbers that are coming out today. And what do we got? All right, so on the earnings calendar for Friday, we got in the morning, we've got Dominion Energy, and Sony Group comes out. Not sure. They don't know what time Sony comes out. That's about it for the big ones that we're going to report today. For Monday, we got KKR and Platinier. They're going to report to Monday evening. And Coterra Energy reports in the evening. And Tyson Food will report in the morning for Monday. Let's look at Max Payne. And Max Payne for today is 2-to-1 put-to-call ratio. Max Payne is 452. I would not be surprised if they hit 452 today. We'll see what happens. For economics, we have the employment situation is coming out at 8:30, so in approximately 20 minutes, we're going to hit the employment situation, and they're going to report on that. Now, we just had jobless claims at 8:30 yesterday. Today, we're going to have the employment situation. And here is a chart of the US dollar index on the Forex exchange. Notice still bullish in the shorter time frame, but overall making lower lows and lower highs so far. And that's it for this morning. So make it quick. Should be an easy day.